Are you feeling so fatigued that even 8 hours of sleep aren't cutting through the haze? Have you increased cardio and decreased calories and you're still not losing weight? Do you feel like small things just set you off and you feel grouchy on a daily basis? I know how you feel. In fact, I see this happening to so many people. But what you have to keep in mind is that it's not just a normal part of just getting older or being a woman or man with hormonal fluctuations. It's actually a sign that the intricate systems of your body are overloaded and out of balance. What people fail to grasp, because we're not taught this, is that all the systems in your body, they're connected and they influence each other all the time. So if you're having a wide variety of symptoms, most likely many areas of your body need to be recalibrated. This includes your gut microbiome, your hormones, your brain, and other organs like your liver. And if one of these things is off, most likely the others are too. So unfortunately, many people and even some doctors, they're used to seeing an organ or one system like hormones as a separate thing that you can then treat with medications and be done. But it doesn't work that way. In fact, the danger of that approach is ignoring why the imbalances happened in the first place and not treating all the additional imbalances. So this is why many men and women who have brain fog also struggle with stubborn weight and other seemingly unrelated symptoms, when in fact, it's all related. Want to know the key to help balance all these issues at once? What it really takes to get your energy back, feel rested, and lose weight with less effort is to start with a wean off and clean out process. What we do with our wellness programs is to set you up for success in learning the foundational skills of being healthy in the best way possible. We find that the first skill, wean off and clean out or detox, is super important to launch you on this path to get healthier as you age. We actually do a prep period to prepare people to go on a detox so that they can be in the right mindset and physical condition to eat, sleep, and detox safely and effectively. What we find is that it can actually take several weeks for you to wean off of a lot of the foods and shift certain habits that are creating the fatigue weight feedback loop. What people don't realize is that many of the foods that they think are healthy can be causing reactions in your body and literally plugging off certain healthy functions, which blocks energy and weight loss. Some foods that may be okay or healthy for other people may not be good for you. And this is why we give you a detailed framework to help mentor and coach you through this important process. We live in toxic soup starting at birth. So doing a detox helps you reboot your body and literally take out the top layer of garbage in the gut and clean out the liver. The older we are, the more onion layers of garbage we've accrued. Detoxing helps to release many of the toxic substances that are lodged in your internal organs and your skin so you can feel revitalized and refreshed. So many people report renewed energy and experience weight loss just with that process alone, because it can help your gut repair, your liver to function optimally, and allows for better nutrient absorption and hormone balance. If you want to go deeper on the topic of detox, register for my free mini course on how to thrive and not just survive. Simply click the link next to this video.